A lot of times people have come up to me and asked me that, I'm getting started with Facebook ads, Google ads, or Instagram ads, and I want to figure out what is the best CPC bid for my budget so that I can get the maximum output from whatever budget there is. And I'm going to answer that in this video. So next time anyone asks me the same question, I'm just going to point you to this video. Well, here goes. There is no single way to answer that for you. So the thing you have to understand about all these advertising platforms online is that it all depends on the audience you select. So let's talk about Facebook ads, for example. If you're creating a Facebook ad, you basically select the target audience while you're creating your ad set to figure out who you want to advertise to. Now let's say there are 100 people you want to advertise to, right? Now it's just not you. There are probably 5 other businesses bidding for this same audience, and they're trying to grab the attention here as well. So now there are 5 companies competing, so the bid for this audience will start going up. For example, the next day, instead of 5, there are 100 companies competing for the same audience, so the bid is going to go up even further because there is more intense competition. But let's say tomorrow, there is only one other company competing for this audience. So now the bid is going to be really, really low because there is really not much competition here. So for example, typically around New Year's, around Christmas, you will see that your advertising rates start skyrocketing. Your CPCs are enormously high. And that's because during that time, lots of companies start advertising and the competition is more intense, so the CPC increases. So by now, I guess you've guessed it, that there is no clear way of finding out except actually getting your hands dirty, create an ad set, put in some budget and figure it out. Run the ad for a week and you will start to notice what the CPC is for your audience, and it's going to go up and down depending on what the competition is and how the market changes. So you will need to be prepared for that. And a lot of times this question is asked in a certain different way. People ask me that I have $500 to spend. How many clicks can I get through this? The answer is exactly the same. Take your money, take maybe $50 out of it and create your audience, start advertising. And within a week, you will have your answer. You will know exactly how much it's going to cost you to advertise to this audience.